Our vision is to offer high quality training in non-formal agribusiness skills for a sustainable livelihood. Alito Training Center is a hub to address the most impressive community challenges through skill development and dissemination. As our motto says, skill youth, reaping big. In C&D, we have discovered it is better to have more hands-on skill in agribusiness than giving theoretical knowledge for the young people that cannot sustain them. So we train them to make job for themselves than training them to seek for job.
Okay, thank you. By name, you can call me Amber Caesar. I'm 20 years old. I come from UCIPD. I come to do my internship in CMV. It's my first time to see that even pawpaws can bring income for the farmers. At first, I didn't know, but when I come to CND, you can see pawpaws can bring income. Pawpaw, it is even very easy, but during dry season, if you want to improve, you just mulch around, you water. Pawpaw can give you money. When you plant like this, can take like only 6 to 7 months to be ready, and then you start selling straight away, you get money. This one I'm not so now very happy of it, because I know after this month I'm going to get a lot of money. So like this one, we have like 50 fruits. Like when I sell this one for 10,000, I know I'll get a lot of money. And to make the thing very good, I then still flowering after this, I know I'm going to get more and more money. Like I'm having 3, but out of that 3, so I think God for bringing me to CND. I'm so very happy when I know even I go back without even my parents, I can do more about it. I advise even my fellow youth for Pawpaw Production. It is very easy even to start. Even with that, you have less capital, you can even start. Even can do well in a land where the land is not infertile, can even do well. So does not even require more money. So I advise my fellow youth to join hands in Pawpaw Production so that they reach more money like me.
Like this time, as you see, they are also doing well, and they are like 50, which are almost getting ready. And if you are to sell, you can just sell at the minimum price of 3,000. And that 3,000, if you multiply by 50, will give you like 150.
Right now, you can see they can be intermixed with other crops. But right now, I'm dealing with a pawpaw. At this time, my pawpaw is doing well. You can see the pawpaw is still flowering, but some of them are ready. You can sell one of it, like this one for 3,000.
You're going to pot burning as long man. I better tell me C&D. You cannot put a donor doing C&D. You know, but in a man, C&D, no, they are planning in America to come up. Edward, I've been young again. I've been on your football car, but it's not bad. Well, man, you know, I don't chat my chat of football, I can't get it. You know, can I cap football? Why don't chat a kidding to me a bit and I can't get. Other now car get very well and do. I know you morning. Football, you didn't like them. The Carmenu are no for a don. When I'm back in a map of football on your person. I don't make a meadow and I know it's here and you can't come. I look at it again. You don't know, you want to make a meadow and cattle. Job for you. You know, don't check at him again. No. I can't hang on. The phone would they didn't catch him again. The better man look again. I think we jump up for a fine. You get chocolate in a common. I do. I want to know it's here and you can. Kari kono be di pe pana mana koma me yini tiyo ni no ngecha pola me twar konya di mo cheta kida da
Bala ngoni.
Guru bakuru nyanya tola abaga gini ya gini na no ne shene ti ya duon kera tungulu ka yini planning pe manu ki ken Como mio do tineno como tido ngatita do tia duga beri. En chama pupala. Kama kum puri bina diku. Anuni diku di mabu kano na me perama charre. Bakor kid mena chili en mama nu perama charra. Pron chama ko kano ya. Como anu do jama baixo total como pupala.
Hybrid pawpaw.
Yeah, hybrid pawpaw. Yeah, this one there. When you plant in the garden, you get a lot of money.
A lot of money.
Because this one there, you will set 10,000. Now you get 20,000. This is not small money.
It's some money which is big, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, some big money, not small money.
Yeah, it is big money. 20,000.
So
when you have around 100, you get a lot of money. Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
so are you planning to go and produce pawpaw?
Yes.
In a Jumani?
Yes, of course. I'm going to plant even 1 acre.
1 acre?
Yeah, to get a big money.
Of hybrid pawpaw?
Yes. When you plant this one, then you're going to chase poverty away in your home. But this one, even you just after planting, and then you just spray, not any management. Like for example, like for the cabbage, there are a lot of diseases attacking the cabbage, but this one there, there is nothing like that. It's very
few
simple.
Disease.
Yes.
It's very easy to manage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get lesson on how to plant tomato, cabbage, onion, and pawpaw. But out of that, I take most interest on planting pawpaw because I'm seeing it's very easy to manage. It doesn't require much scale, and it doesn't need a lot of watering and spraying. And if you plant pawpaw, you will get a lot of money because for it to take a year to die, other than things to do with the tomato, where you only plant and you get your, let me say you get the harvest after 3 months. But for pawpaw, you can get harvest for more than even 2 years because it lasts for long. Yeah.
Okay.
So this pawpaw I'm having on my hand, these are hybrid pawpaw. Like this one, I normally sell it at 8,000 or 10,000. It depends. While this one, it's 7,000. That is the last price.
So if you have like 100 stems of pawpaw,
if I have 100 stems of pawpaw and the fruit of this size, that's when automatic I can get something like 100,000 alone on one stem.
On one stem you are getting like 100. You can see this one is now producing very many fruits.
Yes. So if you count this one, you will get around 12 or more than even that fruit.
If they become big like this one.
So if they become big like this one, I am going to get a lot of money. One like this is 7,000. If you compare this size, it's more than that. So if I reach home, this is the major enterprise I'm going to take.
And 15,000. 5,000. No problem. What about the last
Because I will spend much energy and
you know in supermarket, you know bargaining.
yeah. You pay the money. I have worked for it. I will have worked for it, and then you must pay the money also.
How much?
So if you don't want, you can go and search for it. You give me 10,000.
It is here written 10,000 and you go with it. No bargaining. 5,000. That money you go away. I leave it.
But you have to know that you must work for it. The work is easy, and you can easily get money. These two things now is 20,000 only.
10,000. 10,000.
For two.
Customer service, you say, if you don't want, you go away. Customer care. If you don't have 10,000, you go away. Another customer comes.
Right.